This Phantom wallet's loaded. $1.27 million all from launching meme coins. No hype, no guessing, just a repeatable method that works. Watch closely, I'll walk you through every single step. Look, I'm done playing the guessing game. I'm done hoping I bought early enough to beat the rug. Because the truth is, most meme coins are just money grabs. So instead of getting played, I become the one who sets the game. Now I launch the coins, I create the tokens, I run the plays. And the best part, it's a rinse and repeat method. No more hoping, just executing. But obviously this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please don't copy me, cap. Most people sleep on what really matters. Visibility. Pump.Fun's bonding curve slows your project down, traps it behind caps and waitlists. But with create-tokens.fun, your coin goes live and tradable instantly on Raydium. That's front page visibility without begging for attention. It shows up on deck screener immediately, so buyers find it fast and you don't miss the hype window. You're not just launching faster, you're launching smarter. And that's how you get early volume and real market caps. Let's break down how to launch a meme coin using create-tokens.fun and why this method works so well. Option 1, start from scratch. You type in your token's name, pick a symbol, and upload a logo that captures the vibe. It could be something wild, serious, or straight up meme chaotic. Whatever gets clicks. Then just keep clicking next. The platform guides you all the way through. But here's a move that's been printing profits for me. The Copy Trending Coins tab. This isn't guesswork, it's a strategy. You get access to a list of coins pulled straight from Pump.Fun. And not just any coins. They've already proven they work. They've got volume, hype, and buyers chasing them. Instead of trying to guess what will work, just relaunch something that already is. List it on Raydium where it gets indexed instantly. And you're off to the race. No bonding curve, no noise, just you, a hot coin, and traction. Alright, let's stop yapping and run a real launch. This coin right here is moving. $37,000 market cap and a buy just came in 5 seconds ago. That's all I need to see. Let's go. First, click your wallet. It's pretty simple. It's right here. Click create coin. Don't stress. The pop-up, right? That's normal. Just confirm. Give it a few seconds. Yeah, give it a few seconds after. And boom, if I go on SoScan, the coin should be minted. Yes sir, it's minted. Now we're in business. Let's handle the liquidity now. You're almost done. Both token A and Solana should be already there. Okay, now set the amount token A to 90% and token B to 0.4 Solana. The minimum is 0.3 by the way. You're not losing that. It stays in the contract. Okay, so you will get it back later. Confirm. Create pool. Give it a few seconds. Confirm. That's the final step. Then refresh. And then simply scroll down and boom, it's on the Raydium Dex Pro. And we're already up $48 at the moment. Okay, go in the chart by clicking on view on photon. Okay guys, the coin is now live. It's at the $27,000 market cap. What? What the? What? Dude, this coin is going viral. Oh my god. It's going fucking viral. What? $57,000 volume, 800 transactions, $23,000 liquidity. What the fuck? Okay guys, I have to remember, as meme coin devs, we have to stay fucking locked in and calm and collective because, dude, yo, I think we're up a couple $1,000. I'm not even joking. I think we're up like $1,000 to like $2,000. Yo. Oh my god. Okay guys, to check your profits, come back to create-tokens.fun. After that, simply click on refresh. And boom, we're up 1.7 bands, which is like 13 SOL minus the 0.4 that we had to put at the beginning. Oh my god, this coin is gonna fucking go insane. I'm gonna give this coin around 20 minutes and we're gonna see where it's back. I'm doing a quick time lapse. Bye. Okay guys, I am back. The coin is at officially $14,000. It's stabilized at that because people are now holding, looking for the long-term investment. I personally think, okay, I genuinely think this coin is gonna go to like 50k tomorrow. Okay, I'm just talking from experience, but yeah. Now, the volume is at 101,000. The liquidity is more than the market cap, which is a good sign. What else? Oh, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, someone is buying our coin. I don't know why. That's weird. But yeah, to remove the liquidity, come back to createtokens.fun. And here we are gonna fucking refresh to see where we're at. Boom, we're up $2,400. Now click on the minus button, and here you can choose the percentage of the liquidity pool that you want to remove. I'm personally going to do like 32% because I still believe in the project. But obviously, if you really need the $2,000 right now, well, you can remove it right now and just do 100%. But yeah, remove the liquidity, your phantom should pop up. And as you guys can see here, we are going to receive 4 Solana in our wallet directly. Now click on confirm. And just like that, we just made a bag. If you want to remove the rest, just do it again. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, yes sir, $600, which is like 4 SOL. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, join my Telegram group for free. Bye.